Sabharwal. I work as a executive vice president with Uflex engineering business. Uflex is a multi-product company. We have a various business verticals. Engineering is one of them. In engineering business, we make machines covering packaging and converting machines. In converting machines, we make all sort of a printing spread over rotograver and CI flexo, laminators, slitters, to name the few. This is supposed to be a one-stop shop for any type of a machine which any converter is looking for. With a versatile product range, this is a well-known name not only in India but in more than 125 countries across the globe. Here we are present with one of our machines, namely solventless laminator, which to proud we can say that we were the first ones to produce this in India. Similarly, we have been again keeping our lead, and we are the first one to produce extrusion coating laminators or CI flexo printing machines in India. Specification देखिए क्या होगा, because that may not serve the purpose of the customers. Here with the byte, people may not look forward to what is there in the machine detail wise. They will only understand what machines are there. But if you want, I can say, I'm just deliberating with you. Any customer will buy a product based on few things. There is a huge difference between a consumable and a machine. Machine has to work like a faithful wife, which has to give a support over the years. Uflex is known as a supplier who supplied machines dedicatedly work over the years, which have been proven over the decades. Hence, not only on the quality but reliability, rigidity, and backup support are the reasons for people to prefer Uflex machines. Welcome here.